In a world full of noise, stress, and constant motion, Tai Chi offers something rare: stillness with strength. This ancient Chinese art form blends slow, mindful movement with deep breathing to restore harmony between the mind and body. Whether you're seeking peace, balance, or physical vitality, Tai Chi can transform the way you move and live. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our wellness journey for more calm, strength, and mindfulness in motion. In a world that glorifies speed, Tai Chi invites you to slow down. It's a moving meditation, a graceful dance between strength and stillness. Originating from ancient China as a martial art, Tai Chi has evolved into one of the most powerful practices for cultivating balance, inner peace, and physical vitality. Its slow, deliberate movements calm the mind while awakening deep muscular control. Each motion flows into the next like water, smooth, unbroken, and full of purpose. Calm and strong isn't just a description of Tai Chi, it's a way of life. Here are the top 10 Tai Chi practices that harmonize body, mind, and spirit, helping you find your calm while building quiet strength. Point 10. The Wu Chi posture, finding stillness before motion. Every Tai Chi practice begins with Wu Chi, the stance of emptiness. Standing tall with feet shoulder-width apart, knees slightly bent, and shoulders relaxed, you cultivate awareness before movement. It's the foundation of balance and alignment. In Wu Chi, you learn to root your body into the earth and quiet the constant chatter of the mind. Breathing deeply through the abdomen activates your energy center, the Dantian, creating a grounded calm. It's here that inner peace begins, not through action, but through awareness. Point 9. The Tai Chi walk, the art of controlled movement. The Tai Chi walk looks simple, yet it's profound in its precision. Each step is slow, deliberate, and mindful, teaching balance, coordination, and patience. As you shift weight from one foot to the other, the body learns harmony between effort and ease. This walking meditation strengthens the legs, improves posture, and heightens concentration. Over time, your movements become smoother and your mind quieter. The Tai Chi walk reminds us that progress isn't rushed. It's balanced and intentional. Point 8. The silk reeling technique, spiraling energy within. Silk reeling, or Chan Si Jin, is the essence of Tai Chi's internal energy. It involves continuous spiral-like movements that flow from the core to the limbs. Imagine drawing circles with your hands while your waist directs the motion. This gentle coiling and uncoiling creates elasticity in the muscles and fascia, promoting fluid strength rather than rigid power. Silk reeling improves coordination, joint mobility, and the mind-body connection. It's a moving metaphor for life, strength without tension, flow without force. Point 7. The cloud hands, grace in motion. One of Tai Chi's most iconic sequences, cloud hands, embodies the art's meditative grace. The arms sweep from side to side, moving as though parting soft clouds. Each motion synchronizes with your breathing. Inhale as you rise, exhale as you sink. It builds shoulder flexibility, balance, and rhythm while deeply relaxing the nervous system. The repetition of cloud hands brings mental clarity and emotional balance, helping practitioners move through life's chaos with serenity and poise. Point 6. The golden rooster stands on one leg, balance and focus. This elegant posture symbolizes unwavering focus and strength. Standing on one leg with the opposite knee raised and arms poised, you train stability, ankle strength, and concentration. Every wobble becomes a lesson in patience and self-control. As your body steadies, your mind learns to do the same. Balance in Tai Chi mirrors balance in life, the ability to stay centered even when the world shifts beneath your feet. Point 5. The parting wild horse's mane, flowing with intention. Parting the wild horse's mane teaches controlled expansion and relaxation. The arms move in a circular pattern as if gently separating the horse's mane, guided by the waist and breath. It stretches the chest and shoulders while improving fluid coordination between upper and lower body. This form symbolizes gentleness with direction, movement driven by intention, not force. Practicing it regularly enhances flexibility, lung capacity, and mental clarity. You learn to move with calm purpose, both in Tai Chi and in life. Point 4. The white crane spreads its wings, grace meets power, one of the most visually stunning Tai Chi postures. White crane spreads its wings, opens the chest, and strengthens the legs. As one arm lifts and the other lowers, your spine lengthens and breath deepens. It's a posture of openness, releasing tension from the shoulders and promoting energy flow. The white crane represents balance between softness and strength. Through this form, you cultivate lightness in movement and confidence in presence. Standing tall yet serene. Point 3. The single whip, expanding energy and awareness. The single whip is one of the most powerful and symbolic moves in Tai Chi. It combines a grounded stance with a wide arm extension, symbolizing connection between inner focus and outer expression. The movement teaches energy expansion, reaching outward while staying rooted within. Physically, it strengthens the legs, shoulders, and spine. Mentally, it sharpens concentration and awareness. The single whip reminds us that true power doesn't come from aggression. It comes from controlled intention and relaxed energy. Point 2. Push hands, the partner practice of sensitivity and flow. Push hands, or two-way show, transforms Tai Chi from solo meditation to interactive energy play. Two partners gently push and yield to each other, learning to sense and redirect force instead of resisting it. This develops sensitivity, reflexes, and adaptability, both physically and mentally. You learn the art of non-resistance, to stay calm under pressure, to absorb and redirect rather than confront. Push hands is a metaphor for emotional intelligence, strength guided by awareness, not ego. Point 1. The Tai Chi form, meditation in motion. The culmination of Tai Chi practice is the full form, a flowing sequence of movements that connect body, breath, and intention into one continuous flow. Every gesture, turn, and transition embodies balance, harmony, and mindfulness. As you move through the form, your breathing synchronizes naturally, calming the nervous system and awakening inner vitality. Over time, the practice becomes a meditation, a conversation between stillness and strength. The Tai Chi form is not about perfection but presence, being fully alive in every moment, every breath, every motion. That's the essence of Tai Chi, graceful power and peaceful presence united in every breath and motion. Keep practicing daily, and you'll soon notice your stress fading and your energy flowing freely. If today's session brought you clarity and calm, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more mindful movement and balance. Stay centered, stay grounded, and keep your energy in perfect flow.